Reigning AFCON champions at this level, South Africa meet the USA in Group E of the FIFA Under-20 World Cup in Chile. Oh, and then in front of him to bury the header is Noah Cobb. Oh! My word! Nice take. Lovely cross! Kumashi denied by Smythe Lowe. It's Matthew Corcoran. Oh, it's quite delightful. He's already a star in his homeland and will be globally very soon. Now April, there's that pace I was talking about earlier. Cutback's great, and South Africa lead. Oh, yes. Yet another run at Nkwali. Kumashi! Excellent save from Smythe Lowe. Shaquille April is onside. Magadagidi in support. More arriving. Kekana denied by Baudry. South Africa look to put the gloss on it with another. Vilakazi! Nico Sakiris. USA looking to make the scores equals, and Brano had the chance. Wonderful entertainment in Chile. South Africa 2, USA 1.